I have a very quick one. Um, I can skip over the other one too. Hold on. Um, so there's some additional support for some text formatting. So there's different, uh, being able to run these in the dialect now. The other thing is, if you have a tab, say, some kind of monthly data here, and you have another tab and you want to be able to reference it. This is local still, but should go out next week. You can use this like syntax to reference the column in the other tab.
Woohoo!
And the nice thing about this is it works kind of in a lot of ways with some restrictions, just like a regular column on this tab. So, you can just reference it, but you can also do like an offset on it. So, everything is shifted down. Or you can do like more complicated calculations. So, like a running sum on, one of the columns or stuff like that.
Oh my God, this is so cool. Like, this is chaos at some level because like now you're dependent on a completely like a query that you're not looking at, and it's like you have no idea how it's going to change over time, really. But this is magic. Like, the demo for this is insane.
I tried to screenshot your face there, Colin, when she showed it, but I didn't quite move fast enough. Oh well.
We have a recording.
And that should go out hopefully early next week. I just got to get it reviewed and everything.
I can't wait to see what people do with this because this is just like there's no more familiar way of making a join than typing equals this thing in the other sheet.
And so this is like row by row. Like it's not actually matching on any other data, right? It's like literally row number.
Yeah, row number.
Looking at.
Yes.
I mean, think about that for single value tiles. Like you can just have 5 queries and just go like equals that tab, that tab, that tab, and you've got like a text box that you can do stuff with.
Yeah, this is really cool.
We're gonna keep going until people don't have any more demos. So Kathy, did you say you have another one?
Oh, yeah, sure. I don't want to keep people though.
No pressure. Well, people can leave if they have
I want to
leave.
see it, Kathy.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Keep it
I'm
going.
making content.